Do you want to learn the fastest way to build business credit? And I mean lightning fast. And you don't have to hire a business credit professional and give them thousands of dollars to do it. I mean, in today's video, I'm going to explain the 3 fastest methods to build business credit today. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I create the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience into your own hands. If you're new to the channel, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows YouTube to push us within that algorithm, and allows YouTube also to push us to a wider audience, and allows us to leave these lights on. Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to Mycreatedapprovedcom. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information in this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to Mycreatedapprovedcom, check out the software, and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. In today's video, I'm going to explain how you can build business credit the fastest way possible. And I don't mean actually climbing tiers and doing the tier method, I mean, which is normal and it's still beneficial, but this is going to be the fastest way for you to build business credit. So let's dive straight in. Okay, so before we talk about the tools, let's dive in a little bit about business credit. So business credit is actually what it says in the name. It's credit for your business. Now, business credit is a lot more powerful than consumer credit because it normally has larger tier lines of credit. So what you want to do is you always want to put yourself in a position, if you're in a business, to never run out of capital. Always put your business in a position to be credible with institutions where if you need capital, you can always pull it through your business name and not attaching it to your social security number. You don't want to mix your consumer profile with your business profile. You always want to leave them separately, right? So when you actually go into the realm of pursuing business credit, you want to make sure that you have a certain amount of things, first of all, right? So the first thing that you want to make sure that you have is a LLC. Now you can do LLC, sole proprietor, you can do whatever entity that you want to register with your state. You need that certificate of business with your state secretary office, right? So once you get your LLC, you're going to want to go get your EIN number. Your EIN number is your employer identification number, and it's basically your business social. If anyone charges you for an EIN number, tell them that to kick rocks. Tell them that you already know that it's free and you don't need their services because it's free. You can go to the IRS website and actually register your EIN number. Now, once you get the EIN number and the LLC, the third thing that you want to be completed, to have a completed business, is your business bank account. Your business bank account is going to give you the open date of your business bank account is going to distinguish when your business actually opened for most creditors, right? So once you have those 3 things, what you want to do after that is go get your DUNS number. Dun & Bradstreet is one of the biggest business credit bureaus that's in this country, and you want to make sure that you have a DUNS number because your DUNS number is going to also be one of those type of numbers that's going to identify your business in the credibility that it has. So you want to get your DUNS number, you want to get your entity with your estate, with your LLC, and you want to get your EIN number and also your bank account. Now, once you do that, you want to make sure that you register your business with 411. 411 is a company that you register your business under, because once you climb the ladder, so to speak, and getting business credit, you're going to have applications that vet your business a lot more. And if they can't pull up your business in 411 or with your DUNS number, then they're not going to really take your business serious or look at your business as being credible because you don't have those items. So guys, make sure that you have all of the list of items before we even get into the direction of these methods for you to build business credit. Now, once you have all of those items, you can start going into the method of building business credit. And we're going to start with the first method. And the first method is NAV Boost. Now, NAV Boost is probably one of the most familiar methods, but it's pretty great because they report almost instantly. They report to Dun & Bradstreet, they report to Equifax, they report to all of the major credit bureaus for business, and they do it pretty fairly quickly. And that's basically what you want. One of the biggest differentials from consumer credit and business credit is the factors that weighs in for both. The factors that weighs in for consumer credit is payment history, utilization, on-time payments. It's so many different factors that weighs into consumer credit. Business credit is only one factor, on-time payments. So when you want to climb the business credit ladder, the only thing that you need to focus on is getting your payments calculated, getting your payments actually reported to your business credit reports, because if you get a few payments, you don't need a long history. You don't need to have a long, you just need to have a good track history of on-time payments on your business profile for you to actually get a better business credit score, right? So the first one, like I said, is NAV Boost. NAV Boost is basically a company that is NAV, and NAV is a software that basically tracks your personal credit and your business credit. And NAV Boost is a monetized feature that they have on their website that basically reports to the credit bureaus. And like I said, on-time payments is the only thing you're looking for. So you want to go with methods that's going to give you the fastest outlet for those on-time payments, right? So yeah, NAV Boost. The second one is eCredible. eCredible have a similar system to Experian Boost. So if you know what Experian Boost is, eCredible is similar to that, but for the business side. So Experian Boost is basically a software that Experian have that allows you to report all of your utility bills on your credit report. Now, the highest factor for your credit report is payment history. So payment history is your highest factor, and you want to make sure that it is always on time. So when you have a company like eCredible that is going to calculate your payment history for all of your utility bills, it does wonders for your credit report. And it reports to, like I said, majority of the highest and the biggest business credit bureaus, right? And like I said, eCredible is going to report all of your business expenses. So if you have a business light bill, a business office, a business cell phone, they're going to take all of those bills and actually report the on-time payments that you would not get credit for. They will report it to the business credit bureaus, and those reports will calculate to on-time payments, and it will do wonders for your business profile. And like I said, it happens almost instantly. So the fastest that you can get these things reported, the faster you can climb the ladder, and the faster you can get higher tiers of credit. I mean, ultimately, you want to get hundreds of thousands of dollars in credit, if not more, and just utilize your credit business profile as leverage opposed to your consumer. So yeah, eCredible, NAV Boost. The third one is Sam's Club business card. Now, Sam's Club, I do believe that you have to be a Sam's Club registered consumer before you even get the credit card. But like I said, it's going to give you the fastest way possible. Now, the normal way to build in business credit is with tiers, right? Tier 1 is net 30 accounts. Tier 2 is some Sam's Club cards and things like that. But those tiers takes time. A lot of time that can be used on building those tiers can be applied to you actually getting the capital early and actually working it and ultimately bringing yourself a ROI from other people's money. So yeah, guys, these are the 3 top ways for you to build business credit in today's time. You can go to tier method as well, but like I said, these are almost automated processes that basically get the ball rolling almost instantly. And that's really all you need. You need the ball to be rolling, and you need the good payment history to almost get a perfect score instantly with business credit. And guys, let me know how you feel in the comments about these 3. Have you already tried them? Are you hesitant to try them? Do you have any more questions about them? Let me know in the comments how you feel. And until next time, guys, take care of your credit and take care of yourself. Credit Coach Q out.